Hello, skincare enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of Radiant Skin Revelations, where we dive into the fascinating realm of retinoids. These incredible compounds derived from vitamin A are superheroes in the world of skincare. We have retinol, retinaldehyde, and even prescription-strength champions like retinoid and adapalene all working their magic to improve skin health. They have the power to enhance cell turnover, boost collagen production, and address concerns such as acne, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. However, like any enchantment comes a word of caution. These potent ingredients can sometimes irritate. Fear not. Join us as we take you on a journey to safely incorporate retinoids into your skincare routine. We'll help you navigate through any challenges while unlocking the secret to achieving radiant and healthy skin that you truly deserve. What is retinoid? Let's start our journey with the basics. Retinoids are a class of chemical compounds derived from vitamin A, wielding unparalleled influence over skin health and function. From gentle retinol to powerhouse prescription-strength retinoids like retinoid and adapalene, these elements are skincare staples. They bind to receptors in the skin, orchestrating gene expression and ushering in the renewal of skin cells. Their regimen includes addressing acne, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and refining skin texture. But fair warning, the road to radiant skin isn't always smooth. The potent benefits come with the potentials for irritation. Gradual introduction and sun protection become your allies in this journey. How to start a retinoid? Now that we've laid a groundwork, let's discuss the art of starting a retinoid regimen. It's all about the gradual and cautious approach, whether it's the gentle retinol or the heavy-hitting retinoid. Begin with a lower concentration, allowing your skin to acclimate. Start with a once or twice a week application in the evening after cleansing, gradually increasing frequency as your skin builds tolerance. Don't forget to follow up with a moisturizer to combat potential dryness. And of course, the golden rule, broad spectrum sunscreen during the day is non-negotiable. Patience is your ally. Results may take weeks to shine through. If irritation strikes, adjust your frequency or explore milder formulations. When in doubt, consult your dermatologist for personalized guidance. Tips for incorporating retinoids into a skincare routine effectively. 1. Choose the right product. Selecting the right retinoid product is a fundamental step in incorporating it into your skincare routine effectively. Assess your skin type and specific concerns before choosing between over-the-counter options such as retinol or prescription-strength retinoids like retinoid. If you're new to retinoids, it's advisable to start with a lower concentration to reduce the risk of irritation. Over-the-counter retinol products are generally milder and serve as an excellent introduction for those easing into retinoid use. On the other hand, prescription-strength retinoids like retinoid can be more potent and are often recommended for addressing specific dermatological issues. Understanding your skin's needs and beginning with an appropriate concentration sets the foundation for a successful and well-tolerated retinoid routine. 2. Start slowly. Embarking on a retinol skincare journey necessitates a slow and deliberate start to mitigate potential irritation. Initiate the process gradually by applying retinoids once or twice a week, preferably in the evening after cleansing. This cautious introduction allows your skin to acclimate to the potent ingredients, minimizing the risk of adverse reactions such as redness or peeling. By adopting this incremental approach, you give your skin the necessary time to build tolerance to retinoid compound, reducing the likelihood of discomfort and enhancing the overall effectiveness of the product. Patience during this initial phase is key to achieving the desired benefits without overwhelming your skin, ensuring a smoother integration of retinoids into your skincare routine. 3. Use a pea-sized amount. When applying retinoids, moderation is crucial, and using a pea-sized amount is a guiding principle. These potent compounds are effective even in small quantities, and applying more than necessary can heighten the risk of irritation without offering added benefits. A pea-sized amount is generally sufficient to cover the entire face, including the delicate eye area. By avoiding excessive application, you not only minimize the potential for redness or peeling, but also ensure the product is used efficiently, maximizing its benefits for skin renewal and collagen stimulation. This mindful approach to quantity underscores the importance of precision in retinoid application, striking a balance between efficacy and skin comfort. 4. Protect the sensitive areas of your skin. When incorporating retinoids into your skincare routine, it's essential to protect the sensitive areas of your skin. Retinoids can be potent, and certain areas, such as the eyes, mouth, and corners of the nose are more susceptible to irritation. To shield these delicate zones, apply a thin layer of moisturizer or a gentle barrier cream before using retinoids. This precautionary step helps create a protective barrier, reducing the likelihood of excessive dryness or sensitivity in these sensitive regions. By prioritizing the well-being of vulnerable areas, you can enjoy the benefits of retinoids without compromising the comfort of your skin, promoting a more balanced and effective skincare experience. 5. Layering with other products. Incorporating retinoids into your skincare routine involves strategic layering with other products. Begin by applying retinoids on clean, dry skin, ensuring optimal absorption and efficacy. It's crucial to avoid the simultaneous use of products containing benzoyl peroxide or vitamin C, as combining them with retinoids can heighten the risk of irritation. Instead, consider incorporating these ingredients at different times of the day to maintain their benefits without compromising skin comfort. This thoughtful approach to layering ensures that each component of your skincare regimen works harmoniously, promoting the effectiveness of retinoids while minimizing the potential for adverse reactions. That wraps up our Radiant Skin Revelations on retinoids, your gateway to skin transformation. Remember, the key to success lies in choosing the right product based on your skin's needs, starting slowly to let your skin acclimate and using just a pea-sized amount for optimal results. Safeguard your sensitive areas and master the art of layering with other products for a harmonious skincare routine. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit subscribe for more skincare wisdom. Radiant Skin Revelations signing off. Here's to your journey to radiant, healthy skin.